As the ambassador of Bangladesh to Slovenia, it's a great honor for me to be here in this program, where the Chamber of Commerce of Slovenia, as well as the newly founded Slovenian Bangladesh Chamber of Commerce, are holding a seminar where you are promoting business and investment prospects in Bangladesh. And already for the almost last 10 years, business is developing between the two countries. Now you have textile products, pharmaceutical products, and other materials coming from Bangladesh, and we are expecting many things to go from Slovenia as well. The total volume has exceeded more than 8 million, and I hope it will be very soon, after the end of the current year 2012, it will be over 11 million US dollar, and the variety of commodities or goods will be diversified even further. I have encouraged your business people to think about importing organic tea, and also from their side to offer, if they can, some possibilities of investing in the energy or power generation sector in Bangladesh. And then you can also think about targeting third country, joint collaboration between Slovenia and Bangladesh in many fields. It can be pharmaceutical products, it can be something very innovative where both the countries can collaborate and target a third country as the country where they will export something new. I am also in favor of collaborating with Slovenia in the field of tourism, because you are doing very good in this particular field of tourism. You can guide us, Bangladesh, in that field as well, because you are European, and one of our main source of tourists come from Europe. So this is another field. We don't have many Bangladeshis here, but you have very good universities. So our students who wish to study in Europe can also consider Slovenia as a destination. And finally, we can have, beside business, cultural exchange, and also promote our two countries in our respective media, because many people in your country still don't know much about Bangladesh. Same goes with Slovenia in Bangladesh. So we have to use your media to promote our image, the correct image of Slovenia and Bangladesh, to its people, respective people. I thank you.
Imamo že 10-letne izkušnje na bangladeškem trgu v smislu uvoza in izvoza v Slovenijo oziroma Evropsko unijo. Torej, zakaj je Bangladeš, je ključno vprašanje v poslovnem svetu. Torej, razlogi so naslednji. Torej, izjemne ugodnosti pri proizvodnem procesu, zelo poceni delovna sila in seveda zelo velika konkurenčnost produktov, ki se proizvedejo v Bangladešu in izvažajo torej naprej v Evropsko unijo in Ameriko. Kar je pa bistvo, torej je tako imenovana kvota in pa custom free aranžmaji v Evropsko unijo, kar nam omogočajo torej dejansko proizvajanje v Bangladešu in plasma v Evropski uniji z veliko dodano vrednostjo.
Se pravi, v Bangladešu je veliko priložnosti, se pravi, trg je zelo velik, kot smo že danes večkrat omenili, gre za 160 milijonski trg, 160 milijonov ljudi, bom rekel potrošnikov, se pravi, trg je odprt za vse proizvode, bom rekel, iz Evrope, zelo, sploh če govorimo za sedaj, je veliko, se pravi, kapitalskih strojev in tako naprej. Bom rekel, tekstil je v bistvu prvi proizvod, ki ga proizvaja Bangladeš, se pravi, tukaj obstaja možnost izvoza tekstila. Bom rekel, za Slovence, a ne za izvoz v Bangladeš, bom pa rekel, vsekakor je infrastruktura, se pravi, infrastruktura v ceste, infrastruktura v elektrarne, v ladjedelništvo na vse zadnje. Se pravi, vsi proizvodi, ki so povezani s tem, mislim, da obstaja velika priložnost, se pravi, za proizvode, za izvoz.